Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Python is a high-level programming language known for its simplicity and readability. However, one challenge developers face, particularly in long-running programs or memory-intensive applications, is managing memory usage efficiently. In this tutorial, we'll explore techniques to clean up memory in Python effectively. Python, being an interpreted language, abstracts away many low-level details of memory management from developers. It employs automatic memory management via garbage collection, which deallocates memory occupied by objects that are no longer in use. However, developers should still be mindful of memory usage, especially in resource-constrained environments or when dealing with large data sets. Before optimizing memory usage, it's crucial to identify memory-intensive parts of your code. Python provides several tools for profiling memory usage. These tools help pinpoint areas of code that consume excessive memory, allowing for targeted optimization efforts. Python's garbage collector deallocates memory when objects are no longer referenced. Therefore, explicitly releasing references to objects can help in memory cleanup. For example, generators and iterators are memory-efficient constructs that produce values on the fly, minimizing memory overhead. They are particularly useful for processing large datasets without loading everything into memory simultaneously. Example: context managers, used with the with statement, ensure proper resource management by automatically releasing acquired resources. They can be beneficial for handling file I/O, database connections, or any resource that needs cleanup. Example: choosing appropriate data structures can significantly impact memory usage. For instance, using sets instead of lists for membership tests can offer better performance and memory utilization, especially for large collections. Optimizing memory usage in Python involves a combination of understanding memory management principles, identifying memory-intensive sections of code, and employing memory-efficient techniques and data structures. By following the guidelines outlined in this tutorial, developers can effectively manage memory usage in their Python applications, leading to improved performance and scalability. Remember, while it's essential to optimize memory usage, it's equally important to maintain code readability and clarity. Striking the right balance ensures efficient memory management without sacrificing code maintainability. ChatGPT